Hey, Mr. Asam Sunti, Roland. Hey, Roland.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing? Pura ka pegat?
Somprot, corona, COVID-19 ya.
Oh, somprot corona COVID-19. Okay. Berarti nyo Mr. Asam Sunti tengah ke somprot virus corona. Let me see, what do you use? What products?
Yeah,
Putra product.
anti-corona.
Oh,
Anti-corona.
anti-corona. Okay. Did you get paid to do this?
Yes.
Wow. Cukup agak bak bungong. Ya, nyo anti-corona, antivirus. Hey Roland,
Yes.
come here. How much you getting
Can
paid?
I do my job?
Wait, how much you getting paid to do this?
I cannot say.
Why? Huh? You cannot say?
No, we are in Canada. I am not allowed to say nothing.
Okay, pakai, tak balik bekerja.
Sorry, man.
Pakai. Yo, tengah semprot anti corona le Mr. Asam Sunti. Ya, apa Ya, tiang yo ino le corona yo. Ya tiang yo, ya le corona ya. Okay. We go across the street. Hey, you stay there. Let's talk. Yeah, stadium. Let's talk. Hey, why we have to spray anti-corona? Why?
I'm sterilizing the street.
Oh, because so much virus.
Yeah, because the numbers is going up, so we need to sterilize. Even if I didn't get paid, but I want to do it. You know.
Oh,
I save
ini
life
berarti
with this.
bajalannya
I save
ketat le virus corona jadi ada apa hanai bayi.
You know, it's a lot of kids playing
Ya, hanai
around.
bayi ya.
They bring it home, a lot of kids playing around.
Oh, berarti anak mi ijak bagai ini. Okay. You did a good thing, Mr. Asam Sunti.
You know, we are eating.
Ya. Yan stadion bola. Di empat jalannya pu. Citadel Parade. Okay, keep doing your job. Okay. Ya, Hi. Upana na corona pa jalan. There is no corona in the street, man. Are you believe this?
Yes. I'm really serious.
Oh, you're serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Amri, I need to go inside the building too. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you wanna go? You wanna
I
go?
already talked with the security. I need to do it with the elevator. You know.
Oh, you need to spray elevator?
Yeah.
Make sure don't get fire, okay?
Yeah.
Let me show one more time.
You see, I still have a little bit here.
Anti-corona. No. Let me show anti-corona, Mr. Roland. What do you say? Somprot.
Yeah. Somprot.
Somprot.
COVID-19.
Yes. Somprot COVID-19. Yan kaya Canada. Bye. Okay. Bye, Roland.